Oh my goodness. I had my first live training yesterday with my course, Clear Online Income Now system. And I cannot tell you how pleased I am with it. I seriously was just so impressed with the people there and feel like the value was soaked in by them. They are ready to go and get things moving, rocking and rolling for their online business. And listen, what I want you to know is if you didn't get in on the first class, it is not too late. So shoot me a message and I'll get you the information for that, because I did record it, and you won't be behind. You'll be right on time. And we are taking this one day at a time. Love you. See you soon.